Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode,
break a 69er to rub a ducky.
You are the works.
Yeah.
The YouTube channel. So about 20 people have died in bad weather.
Yeah.
So you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Well, you know this is going to be good. So let's get into it. Cue the intro.
Break a 69er to rub a ducky.
Rubber ducky receiving, over.
Are you ready to start a convoy?
Ducky, I need a wee-wee.
We've only just left. It's been 5 minutes. We've not even done a mile.
Yeah, I know, but I got a bit excited. It is trickling down my leg.
Haven't you got a bottle you can use?
Yeah, I have actually. That's a really good idea.
It's an old trick of mine. You can just do it in the bottle and then chuck it out the window.
Well, I was going to do what that Hairy Grills does so I can drink it when I get thirsty.
Ooh.
Well, Psychic, we're supposed to be going in beautiful sunshine and lovely weather, and they say that Strata Florida relay should not be done in sort of downpours, heavy rain conditions, and obviously the forecast has changed to 2 days of absolute heavy rain and thunderstorms. So are you getting worried now?
Well, they keep saying that we're going to get this mini heat wave coming, but it's not happened, has it? So it's not something that should be done in the rain and all the rest of it, let alone on inappropriate bikes when it's been raining. Yeah, I am getting a little bit worried.
From what I've read, they've literally said it's not passable with heavy rain, and people have died. So I'm not planning on doing that basically. So if I get a little bit scared, you are going to have to be my stunt double, and I'll just film it.
Well, so you want me to ride both the bikes through while you film it?
Yeah, you have to get changed a few times, but no one will know. Obviously, you're well-rounded too.
I'll have to put a padded suit on to do your bits.
So, yeah, I think that we are... Well, it's going to be nuts. I am actually excited, but I am quite scared at the same time, to be honest.
Yeah, I am. I mean, I am looking forward to it, but yeah, the closer we're getting, I am getting worried because we are doing it on the most ridiculous bikes to be trying to do this on.
Yeah, to be fair, and I literally haven't done anything to the monkey bike at all, and then actually give it a clean. What's kind of pointless as well. So, road tyres, no engine protection, and but I've got 11 out of 10 skills, and as always, it's just power. But that might get me in trouble this time.
Yeah, I've not actually. The only time I've ridden the scooter since we've done the modifications is to ride it into the back of the van. And I have already found something scraping, so I've got to sort that out before we set off. So I think we're definitely under-prepared.
Yeah, I think we are as well. I think it's going to be proper ropey. We have made it to Wales. We're about 50 miles away from the campsite, but we have made it to Wales. The monkey cycle camper van obviously being in front, and the sidekicks Lance the ambulance behind, because of course the monkey cycle camper van, like the monkey bike, leads the way every single time. So we've arrived.
Yep.
It took us what, 2 minutes to set up?
Yeah, not long.
It's been perfect.
Nice and easy.
We are the first ones here.
Yeah.
And you've completed your bike now by the looks of it. I mean, it looks gnarly. The tyres on it look absolutely awesome. The rear smaller than the front was genius.
Bit of a letdown. It's all I could do. There are other tyres out there, and the only place I could buy them from were Italy. So, but that is like, it's a bit skinny. But at the end of the day, it's all I could come up with in the time that we've had. So, yeah, fingers crossed, it'll do the job.
So it came down to
Yeah.
bare bones, didn't it? You were literally working on it 5 seconds before we left.
Yeah, and literally, the only time I got test rode was into the back of the van, and I quickly rode it round the cul-de-sac where I live,
Yeah.
and then into the back of the van, and I've realised that this mud guard's catching along here. When under braking, when the wheel lifts up, it catches that. So I brought the angle grinder, so in a minute, I'm going to cut a bit of that off.
So we're on a very peaceful, relaxing campsite. People have got beer in their hands, and you're going to get an angle grinder out and start cutting your bike to bits.
We'll be right, won't we?
Just keep away from my monkey.
Yeah, yourself also added the rally spec headlight as well.
It looks good. It
Thanks.
does look very good. I mean, the monkey, as per usual, over there, has needed nothing, and as we'll see tomorrow,
Needed nothing, you've done nothing.
I've done nothing.
Yes.
But as we'll see tomorrow, it doesn't need to have anything done to it because it's just going to go through. We have already had a few people come up and ask us what we're doing, and they've told us the water is going to go over our handlebars. So have you brought a snorkel?
Well, if I've sealed it up right, the air intake is just under the seat, but
Oh, I meant for us when we're under the water.
we've got waterproofs, haven't we? And as usual, when you come to Wales, it rains, so it's not let us down.
And it's a helmet head adventure. I mean, if this was beautiful sun and we were doing off-roading, it would be amazing. But we're come and 11 out of 10, it's peeing it down. I think it looks better. I think you've done.
I think it does look better.
Can we class that as an 11 out of 10 job?
Yes, definitely an 11 out of 10 job, isn't it?
Are you quite proud?
Well, it's make do amend, isn't it? That's what you've got to do.
Just bodge it and go, mate. It's my golden rules. Bodge it and go.
I've even brought the paint so I can paint the end of it again. But
You're going to paint the end of it.
nice paint. A couple of little touch-up things. I was going to paint the end as well.
Do you use them for something else at night?
Do you know what we call these? These are for work, but do you know what we call these?
What do you call them?
Teddy bear bollocks.
Dude, you haven't fixed it!
Well, get the grinder out again.
Are you going to have any mudguard left in the end? Because if you're marking it here, you may as well just cut it there.
I don't want to cut it there though. I want to have some shape to it. Really, wants to come straight across.
Why don't you make it into a point, and then you can always like stick somebody with it.
Oh dear. Just gonna go for it.
Go on, just do it. Just wing it. Look at the state of that.
So, I can tidy it up a bit. I've got a sanding pad. Yeah.
Do you think that looks like a poor man's cap that just couldn't afford the proper one, so that it's basically like a cap with hardly any peak?
I might save that bit.
Well, just for a memento to put on the wall, on the mantelpiece. Go on, take it for another spin. I can see the marks, and it's the back of it, not the front.
Oh no! I can't even get the grinder to that.
All day tomorrow, you're going to sound like you're farting as we're doing the Strata Florida. Yeah.
Just cut that off for no reason.
It's just someone farting the entire time.
Just ruined my mudguard for no reason.
Do you know what? You should have bought Monkey.
Shut up.
To our couple, So, you've recently arrived, you've set up your tent,
Yep.
you are the works,
Yeah.
you're the YouTube channel.
So,
Your name is Joe.
yep.
You bought the Barneville from me and you made it into literally a very sexy bike. We'll find out. Huh?
There's not much left, is there?
No, there's a tank. But we'll find out tomorrow how good it is, because we're going to do a little bit more on it when we set off tomorrow, so that's quite exciting. You've got your friend with you, Luke. Now, is Luke your sidekick?
He would never attest to that. I would dream of saying that. I ain't that brave.
So Luke, what's it like being a sidekick?
I wouldn't know.
So your bike, you and Joe made that as well, is that right? Yeah. And I've noticed you've got an L plate.
Yeah.
Now, how long have you been riding bikes for?
8 months.
So we'll say a week, right? And then tomorrow you're going to do the most dangerous road in the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I wasn't until you said that.
So about 20 people have died
Yeah.
in bad weather.
Yeah.
So you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Worst case of it is we'll get Joe to push you.
Yeah. That'll do.
Yeah? Sound right?